Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi you should click here once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all the available networks, and now we can connect to one from these networks. For example, this one, we can enter here the password. To see the password, tap here on this checkbox, and after that we'll see here the password, for example, to handle some mistakes. I'll just enter the password out of screen. After that, just click here to connect. Wait a second, and after that we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select one more network, and after that just switch it between these two networks. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can activate Wi-Fi and to connect to the network. Just open the notification panel, and after that click here on the Wi-Fi icon. Wi-Fi now is activated, and just to activate the Wi-Fi settings to just use the network or hold by this way. Hold this Wi-Fi icon. Alright. And you'll launch the Wi-Fi settings. And if you want to just turn it off, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.